Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Honda Rebel 500. This bike has ABS brakes, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected, beautiful condition, matte silver finish, just $61.99. Save hundreds over the price of new. Only 4,000 miles on this gorgeous twin cylinder 500 Rebel. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Make your middleweight cruiser dreams come true. This beautiful Rebel, $61.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.